Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. For those of you who prefer doll repaints, rest assured I have a fun doll collab coming up next, but today's video is a Breyer repaint. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I started with the usual sanding and priming before covering the air hole with epoxy clay and adding a discreet one on the belly. I've read mixed information on if a new air hole is really needed to prevent expansion, but I prefer to err on the side of caution. I then started airbrushing the base coat, but realized pretty quickly that the Cheeto color I mixed up was not going to work. An adjustment or two later, I had the base coat and then it was on to adding subtle shading. After sealing my work with a layer of MSC, I start sketching out ladies' markings. With the markings laid out, I can start layering the first of roughly 20 thin coats of white acrylic paint. The coats had to be thin to avoid brush strokes. For the hooves, I layered on tan, white, and brown paint with a combination of wet and dry brushing techniques. I did a fantastic job of being out of frame, but for the bottom of the hooves, I started with a dark brown, then added lines with thinned out tan paint and did a brown dark wash on top. This is how it looked once it dried. I also added a black wash over the shoes. After sealing the pastels with MSC, Lady is done. Let's take a look at the final photos. And that's a wrap on today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like and leave me a comment with your favorite horse emoji. Happy holidays, and until next time, take care.